Hey guys, in today's video you'll be checking out some of the best campfires available in the market. We have combined them according to their quality, capacity, price, user satisfaction and ease of use. You can find out more info about them in the description box below. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon below to be the first to know about any new videos. Ranking at number 7 we have TIKI Portable Campfire. The TIKI Brand Fire Pit's beautiful design was created with you in mind to keep the moments lasting longer. It includes stand weather-resistant cover and wood pack. It is constructed with 16-gauge stainless steel and durable weatherproof powder-coated exterior. The patented internal airflow system for better fire, low smoke and less ash. The 25 inches diameter comes with approximately 16 inches depth and diameter on the inside. The fire pit's internal airflow system yields low smoke and less ash, meaning no more dodging smoke or starting late-night laundry. Also, it is constructed with 16-gauge stainless steel and durable weatherproof powder-coated exterior in black. At number 6 we have Solo Portable Campfire. The Solo Stove Bonfire pushes the limits of both combustion airflow efficiency and minimalist outdoor design with its all-stainless steel construction. It has brilliantly engineered to provide a backyard fire experience that cannot be duplicated. The camping stove has double wall design, maximizes airflow and burning process. The bottom vent holes allow oxygen to feed the fire from below while simultaneously channeling warm oxygen up between the walls of the stove and back into the fire. The ash pan also acts as a heat shield and reduces the heat transfer from your bonfire to the ground beneath it. At number 5 we have BioLite Portable Campfire. You can enjoy the warmth, smell, crackle and feel of a wood campfire without any of the smoke. The latest upgrade to the award-winning BioLite Fire Pit creates hyper-efficient flames with patented airflow technology. They lift the fuel rack and toss in charcoal to transform it from a fire pit to a portable hibachi-style grill complete with an included grill grate. The BioLite Fire Pit creates hyper-efficient flames with patented airflow technology and gives you a front row seat to the magic thanks to the X-ray mesh body enabling 360 views. At number 4 we have Solo Portable Campfire. The Solo Stove Campfire has been recommended by Backpacker magazine and serious survivalists including Discovery Channel's very own Matt Graham. The backpacking stove features a unique double wall that creates ultra-clean gasification and a secondary combustion. This allows fuel to burn more completely and with less smoke. It has a lightweight stove which uses twigs, leaves, pine cones and wood as fuel. The campfire was built with the Solo Stove 2-pot and 3-pot set in mind. When combined with a tripod, this set is surely the most versatile and portable backpack cooking set. At number 3 we have Fire Portable Campfire. The camping stove has double wall design, maximizes airflow and burning process. The bottom vent holes allow oxygen to feed the fire from below, while simultaneously channeling warm oxygen up between the walls of the stove and back into the fire. The fire stove has unique airflow properties which makes it extremely efficient. The air intake holes on the bottom of the stove channel air to the bottom of the fire while at the same time channels warm air up between the walls of the stove. This burst of preheated oxygen feeding back into the firebox through the smaller holes at the top of the stove causes a secondary combustion. At number 2 we have Defender Portable Campfire. The Pop-Up Fire Pit Ultralight is the lightest pop-up fire pit we have ever made. The stripped down to just the most basic functionality, which includes the collapsible frame, fire mesh and weather-resistant zippered carrying bag for a total weight of just 3.2 pounds. Its clean burn technology produces captivating flames and substantial heat output with 80% less smoke for a more enjoyable campfire experience. The patented fire mesh technology increases airflow for brighter, hotter fires with 80% less smoke. At number 1 we have Defender Portable Campfire. The Olympian Little Red Campfire outdoor portable tabletop propane heater fire pit will conveniently keep you warm while you make memories. The realistic log piece sits in the 11.25-inch fire tray and provides a natural ambience with no mesh or ash. The essential warmth is provided with a 9.5-inch diameter ring burner and with a maximum BTU output of 65,000 BTUs/HR. You can keep control of the fire pit with an adjustable regulator that maintains input and output of the gas pressure within the unit. When it is time to pack up, the sturdy lid with a security latch makes for easy transport. Now it's your turn. Let us know in the comment box below as this video helps you to find the best campfires for your need.